Okay, so in this video we are going to unbox the Redmi K40 5G. All right, and this version is the 12 gig RAM and 256 gig storage variant, and this does not come with the new Redmi logo. This is the square Redmi logo. So let's quickly open this bad boy and see what it comes with. In the box it says designed by Redmi, and when you take that out you get your SIM ejector pin, you get some paperwork and a clear plastic case, which is good for protecting your device and keeping it from scratches. Then you get the phone itself. This is the white version. On the front it says Redmi. On the back you see that beautiful camera cutout. Next you get a charging cable. So this is a USB Type-C charging cable with orange accents, really nice. And then you get a very thick power adapter right here. Now let's look at the side of the phone. So you can see the power button, and the power button also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. And then next to that we have the volume control buttons, and beneath it you can clearly see this phone lacks a 3.5mm earphone jack. It has speakers over here, it has a USB-C port, and then it has a SIM tray port. On the left hand side is absolutely nothing. It's completely naked on the left hand side. And then at the back is this really beautiful camera layout, really beautiful to behold. And I like the white color, it's really cool. It's different from all these black other phones that we've been using. And it says 48 megapixel AI triple camera, but I thought it was 4 lenses that I'm seeing, but it's saying triple camera. So yeah, I don't know what the fourth one is. I guess we'll have to find out. And I don't know if you can see, but it has a screen protector already installed on it. So this is the Redmi K40, same as K40 Pro, same as K40 Pro Plus, same as Poco F3 on the outside. So let's turn it on. So over here we can see that it has a hole punch cutout, and it says MIUI 12, yours alone. The interface looks really good. And then it has something of kind of like, you know, the bezels are not so big, they are not as small as that on the Mi 11, but they are not so big. It's kind of very similar to that of the Poco X3 here. So you can see they have quite considerably sized bezels. All right, so let's put the Poco aside. And how does this feel? Is this plastic or glass? I would have to check. It feels kind of like glass, and if it's glass it doesn't have wireless charging, so you need to make sure you put your case on it. And this thing is not going to attract fingerprint. It has this matte finish, and it's really nice, really nice. So I'm going to slap my case on it for added protection. The case doesn't really fit so well, but yeah, we are going to get it to fit. Fit. So you can see that this portion here doesn't fit too well, but yeah, we got it over it, and it looks really good. Like, it looks stunning, to be honest. It looks very fantastic. So these are the accessories you get when you purchase the Redmi K40. You have your fast charging adapter, and it's amazing that the mid-range devices come with fast charging adapters, but the flagships don't. You have your USB Type-C charging cable, you have your clear plastic case, and then you have the phone itself. Okay, setup complete now, and this is the interface, and oh my, it looks fantastic. So this has been the unboxing experience of the Redmi K40. It looks really good from the onset. I love it, and I'm going to let you know everything I think about it in my full review. So let me know which aspect of this device you want me to focus on my full review and which devices you want me to compare it with. Thanks, Bibre.